This is hands down the most insane, labor-intensive, out-of-my-skill-set dress I have ever made. And that is saying a lot because I one time glued 250,000 rhinestones to a bodysuit. I know. This is a bespoke wedding gown. A one-of-a-kind, one-of-one, one-in-existence kind of gown. I'm only going to show you 90 seconds of this process, but trust when I say it was a multi-week, 12-hour day kind of process. And it did cause me to lose my mind. But I did pick up a new skill, which is baking cakes and decorating them. Anyway, it all starts when my mom met my dad.
Hi, I'm Ryan. In my life, it's kind of crazy.
Just kidding, it starts with a corset. And then it gets fancy from there with an organza, an invisible mesh, and sleeves, and French seams. And then the hand sewing. The hours of hand sewing. The days of hand sewing. The weeks of hand sewing. Trying to match lace. Trying to sew it straight. Literally everything. And if that was not enough, I found these little decorative table pieces that I thought, let's add those to the neckline. So yes, more hand sewing. All the way down the sides. All the way around the back.
2,000 years later.
I ended up with calluses and blisters on both hands. But do you know what's more tedious than hand sewing? It's Tulle. The inspiration for this was a Zohar Murad bride, a Dior bride, sub bride, you get it. So I really wanted this big poofy skirt, which of course meant layers of tulle. I feel like tulle is everyone's favorite part, except the person working with it. And because of the weight of the fabric over the tulle, we can double our mass to get what we're looking for. But what are we looking for? That's the question. The skirt is totally detachable. I did that by sewing on buttons and Velcro. And when the sun hit, I mean, look at that sparkle. I mean, even the Twilight vampires would be jealous. I did round out the look with 2 cheap veils from Amazon. I still have to sew them to make it one, but this gown was so beautiful that even before it hit the runway, I had a friend asking if she could buy it for her wedding. And c'est la vie. This beautiful dress will be off to her new home in no time. Bye!